Hello my viewers, welcome. This is Moses. Today I want to make a small video clip that is inspired by a commercial that runs in one of our local televisions. The commercial is about an insecticide that is Mortin Doom. Now, when the commercial begins, there is a conversation that it starts with. The conversation is between the boy, the child, and the mother. Now, the boy asks the mother a very important question to me. Now, I want you to take a listen to what the boy asks the mother. Listen to what the boy asks the mother. Here it goes.
Mama, why does the moon only come out at night?
I hope you have gotten it. Let me repeat the commercial again. Take a note of what the boy asks the mother.
Mama, why does the moon only come out at night?
I've repeated it 2 times, but let me repeat the question that the child asks the mother. The child asks the mother, Mom, why does the moon only appear at night? The kid asks the mother, why does the moon only appear at night? Well, the commercial has been running throughout for a period of time, and I thought I need to correct that anomaly, or that thinking that the moon only appears at night. Now, it's during the day. It's around 3 p.m., some minutes to 3 p.m. actually right now when I'm recording this video. And I want to go outside with you together so that we can verify that fact, whether the moon only appears at night or also during the day does the moon appear. Well, let's go outside. Let's see, let's trace where the moon is, and we shall make the necessary conclusion out of it. So let's go outside and check. My viewers, I hope now you can see what I was talking about. The moon is actually visible during the day. Let me zoom in so that you can see it clearly. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom on the moon. There we have it. So you can see actually the moon is visible during the day. In the advertisement that I just showed you of Mortin Doom, the kid asks the mom why the moon is only visible during the night. And the mom gives her a response. The response is not in any way scientific. Neither is the advertisement meant to promote any scientific knowledge. But it's good to be correct when you are conveying knowledge about science to kids. The moon is actually visible during the day also. It's not only visible during the night. So there we have the moon visible during the day. There we have it, my viewers. I hope you have been able to see that the moon is actually visible during the day. So the moon is not only visible during the night time, but the moon is actually visible during the day. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking time and watching this video clip. Now, for those who are watching, let me ask you this question. Apart from the moon being visible during the day, is it possible to view other celestial bodies during the day? Let me ask again. During the day, we have established right now that the moon is actually possible to be seen during the day. So the question is this: is it possible to see other celestial bodies during the day? Well, if you know of any way of viewing other celestial bodies during the day, or during what time can we be able to view other celestial bodies during the day, you can let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.